Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Disney Plus. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will click on Disney Plus and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then we go to Wi-Fi. You will turn on your Wi-Fi and you will turn off your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.